Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we are going to learn about targeting grammar. So take out your page number 31. The topic is adjective and adverb. So adjectives are the words that tells more about noun, and adverbs modify verbs, adjective or another adverbs. In other words, we use adjectives to describe people and things. For example, a black color, a little dog, a new bike, an English motorbike. So adjectives can be any color or in number or any quality, right? The form of adjectives never change. Like for example, a nice girl, two nice girls, a good book, two good books. An adjective normally go before the noun. She has got a brown hair. They always come before noun. Adjectives can go after the verb to be. For example, this cake is delicious. My brother is angry. Our new neighbor are German. We use the question what like to ask for a description of a person, place, or thing. Okay, what is the restaurant like? It's really good. And what are the Linda's parents like? They are really friendly. We use adverbs to describe how we do something or how something happens. For example, he plays the piano badly. Means जब हम एडवर्ब यूज करते हैं तो हम ये देखते हैं कि कौन सा पर्सन कैसे काम कर रहा है. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल ही रन्स फास्टली, he runs quickly, she writes neatly. So these are the examples of adverbs. We generally form adverbs by adding ly to adjectives. For example, quick से हम बनाते हैं quickly, bad से badly, and careful से carefully. For adjectives ending in a consonant uh, y, so change the y to ILY. For example, heavy would be changed heavily and easy would be changed easily. And for adjectives ending in LE, remove the E and add Y. For example, simple से हम simply बना लेंगे और terrible से terribly. And for adjectives ending in IE, we add ALLY. For example, fantastic. Fantastic would be changed into fantastically. Some adverbs are irregular and you need to learn them by heart. For example, fast, high, hard, and good. Good would be changed into well. So, put the adjectives in the correct position, then write the plural. For example, a person new. अब आप इसको कैसे लिखेंगे? A new person. And how you will make it plural? New persons. Okay, first example has been given for you. Now you will have to make your own sentences. A person thirsty, a thirsty person or thirsty persons means you will have to write in singular and plural in both forms. Second, a building modern, so how you will make it? A modern building. Okay, you will have to write in a sequence with the help of these verbs. Okay, now you can say that a modern building, modern buildings. Okay, again, suitcase heavy, heavy suit case or heavy suitcases. Leather jacket, leather jackets. A tall boy or tall boys. Now here is a puzzle and you will have to complete it, and then you will write their opposites in these blanks. For example, one example has been given for you. The opposite of black would be white and thin would be thick. You will have to select its opposite from this puzzle game, and I have done for you. Okay, you can see it carefully and then you can fill it by yourselves. Okay, next, thin, a thick, early, late, happy, sad. All the words are given in these puzzles, all the opposites you will choose, and I think so that you will choose it by yourself. You can choose it by yourselves. Okay, and the opposite of happy would be sad, big would be small. The other rest of the fill in the blanks you will do it by yourselves. Okay, now come to the next page. Yes, here are some adjectives given in the boxes. For example, comfortable, expensive, tiny, easy, long, blue, and difficult. Interesting has been cut because it has been used in example. This museum is very interesting, so this has been done. Okay, second, a ladybird is a tiny insect, right? Tiny insect. You will have to choose accordingly which adjective would suit in the blanks. Okay, my brother's got a dash shirt, blue shirt. Okay, now tick it, mark it. Yeah, you have done it. Blue and tiny. Okay, now come on the third example. I think Chinese is a difficult language. No, tick the difficult. Okay, come to the next example. This jacket is not expensive. It's only $20. So expensive, tick mark on the expensive. Okay, these trainers are very comfortable, right? Comfortable. Now tick comfortable. Okay, next example. This is an easy exercise. Now tick easy. My sister has got long hair. So all the blanks have been done. Okay, with the help of these boxes. Now put the verbs in the correct order. This exercise you will do by yourself. I have done my own, but you will do by yourself. Now come to the next exercise. This is make questions and write answer. You can use the adjectives in the previous exercise to help you. Okay, just hints are given, and you will have to write full sentence in question form, then in answer form. Okay, you can see the example. What's your mother like? She is very kind. Okay, that book. Now I have made a question for you. Whose book is that? Question mark is already given, right? Now my answer is that book is mine. Okay, New York. Is New York is a big city? Yes, it is a big city. Okay, now I have written for you firstly question then answer. So next portion you will do by yourself. Okay,